Hi friends, today we will discuss modules. In abstract algebra, the concept of a module over a ring is a generalization of the notion of vector space over a field, wherein the corresponding scalars are allowed to lie in an arbitrary ring. In a vector space, the set of scalars forms a field and acts on the vectors by scalar multiplication subject to certain axioms such as the distributive law. A module, like a vector space, is an additive abelian group. A product is defined between elements of the ring and elements of the module, and this multiplication is associative when used with the multiplication in the ring and distributive. In this session, we will see the definition and some examples of modules. We will see that in a general, a left R module is not same as the right R module. Elementary properties of left R modules and a discussion on modules over opposite rings will be made. Definition and examples of submodule will be discussed. Modules. Definition. Left module. Let R be a ring and M be an additive abelian group together with a map R cross M to defined by Rm to Rm called the scalar multiplication or the structure map, such as for every R, R1, R2 belongs to R, M, M1, M2 belongs to M, the following hold. 1. R of M1 plus M2 is equal to Rm1 plus Rm2. 2. R1 plus R2 of M is equal to R1M plus R2M. 3. R1 R2 of M is equal to R1 of R2M. Then M is called a left R module. Elements of R are called scalars. Remark. In the above, the ring may be with or without unity. The ring may or may not be commutative. Definition. Unitary module. Let R be a ring with unity 1. A left R module M is said to be unitary left R module if 1 into M is equal to M for every M in M. Example 1. Any abelian group M is a left module over R is equal to End-M, the ring of endomorphisms of M. This can be seen as follows. The structure map R cross M to M is the evaluation Fm to f of M. That is, if R belongs to End-M, M belongs to M, then we let Rm denote the image of M by R. Then 1. R of M1 plus M2 is equal to Rm1 plus Rm2. 2. R1 plus R2 of M is equal to R1M plus R2M. 3. R1 R2 of M is equal to R1 of R2M. For every R, R1, R2 belongs to R, M, M1, M2 belongs to M. Noting that ID is the unity element in the ring End-M, and since IDM implies IDM which is equal to M, we have that M is a unitary module. Example 2. Let R be a ring and M be an additive abelian group with the identity element OM. If the scalar multiplication is trivial, that is Rm is equal to OM for every R in R, M in M, then the left R module M is a trivial module structure. Example 3. If M is equal to OM, the trivial group, whatever be the ring R, the left R module M is with the scalar multiplication ROM is equal to OM for every R in R and is called the zero module over R. Notation. A left R module M is sometimes denoted by Rm. Definition. If R is a division ring, then a left R module is called a left vector space over R. Elementary properties of left R module. Theorem 1. Let M be an R module. OR denotes the additive identity in R and OM denotes the additive identity in M. Then 1. ORM is equal to OM for every M in M. 2. ROM is equal to OM for every R in R. 3. Minus R of M is equal to minus of Rm which is equal to R of minus m for every R in R, M in M. Proof 1. Let R belongs to R, then Rm is equal to R plus 0 R of M, which is equal to Rm plus 0 Rm, and by the left cancellation, considering M as group, we obtain Om is equal to ORM. 2. Let R belongs to R, then Rm is equal to R of M plus 0 M, which is equal to Rm plus ROM, and by the left cancellation we have Om is equal to ROM. 3. Om is equal to ORM is equal to R plus minus R of M, which is equal to Rm plus minus R of M, equation number 1. Also, Om is equal to ROM, which is equal to R of M plus minus M, which is equal to Rm plus R of minus M, equation number 2. From 1 and 2, we obtain the result. Right module. Definition. Right module. Let R be a ring and M be an additive abelian group together with a map M cross R to M denoted by MR to MR, such that for every R, R1, R2 belongs to R, M, M1, M2 belongs to M, the following hold. 1. M1 plus M2 of R is equal to M1R plus M2R. 2. M of R1 plus R2 is equal to MR1 plus MR2. 3. M of R1 R2 is equal to MR1 of R2. Then M is called a right R module. Remark. In the above definition also, the ring may be with or without unity. The ring may or may not be commutative. Definition. If R has unity 1 and M into 1 is equal to M for every M in M, then M is called unitary right R module. Theorem 2. For an abelian group M, let end M be the ring of all endomorphisms of M. Let R any ring. Then we have the following. 1. M is a left R module if and only if there exists a ring homomorphism psi from R to end M. Also, M is unitary left R module if and only if psi of IR is equal to IDM. 2. M is a right R module if and only if there exists an anti-homomorphism of ring psi dash from R to end M, that is, psi dash preserves addition but reverses the multiplication. Also, M is unitary right R module if and only if psi dash of IR is equal to IDM. Proof 1. Let M be the left R module with a scalar multiplication Rm to Rm. Now define psi from R to end M by R to psi of R, where psi of R is from M to M, is defined by psi of R of M is equal to Rm for every R in R and M in M. Claim. Psi is a ring homomorphism. To see this, let R1, R2 belongs to R and M belongs to M. We have psi of R1 plus R2 of M is equal to R1 plus R2 of M by the definition of psi, which is equal to R1M plus R2M by the definition of module, which is equal to psi of R1 of M plus psi of R2 of M by the definition of psi, which is equal to psi of R1 plus psi of R2 of M by the point-wise addition of functions. Thus, psi of R1 plus R2 is equal to psi of R1 plus psi of R2. Similarly, we have for M in M, psi of R1 R2 of M is equal to R1 R2 of M by the definition of psi, which is equal to R1 of R2M by the definition of module, which is equal to R1 of psi of R2 of M, which is equal to psi of R1 of psi of R2 of M, which is equal to psi of R1 composition psi of R2 of M by the definition of composition of functions. Thus, psi of R1 R2 is equal to psi of R1 psi of R2. The above discussion shows that psi is a ring homomorphism. Conversely, suppose that psi is from R to end M is a ring homomorphism. Now define the scalar multiplication by R cross M to M, Rm to Rm, which is equal to psi of R of M. Claim the above defines a left R module structure on M. 4. Let R1 R2 belongs to R and M1 M2 belongs to M. Since psi of R1 belongs to end M, we have R1 of M1 plus M2 is equal to psi of R1 of M1 plus M2, which is equal to psi of R1 of M1 plus psi of R1 of M2. Since psi of R1 is a group homomorphism, which is equal to R1 M1 plus R1 M2. Also we have R1 plus R2 of M1 is equal to psi of R1 plus R2 of M1, which is equal to psi of R1 plus psi of R2 of M1. Since psi is a ring homomorphism, which is equal to psi of R1 of M1 plus psi of R2 of M1, which is equal to R1 M1 plus R2 M1, and R1 R2 of M1 is equal to psi of R1 R2 of M1, which is equal to psi of R1 composition psi of R2 of M1, since psi is a ring homomorphism, which is equal to psi of R1 of psi of R2 of M1, which is equal to psi of R1 of R2 M1, which is equal to R1 of R2 M1. Thus, M is an R module. Suppose M is unitary left R module and psi is from R to end M be the corresponding ring homomorphism. We have psi of IR from M to M given by M to psi IR of M, which is equal to IR into M, which is equal to M. Hence, psi IR is equal to IDM, the identity endomorphism. Conversely, suppose that psi IR is equal to IDM, where psi is from R to end M is a ring homomorphism. We consider the scalar multiplication defined as above: R cross M to M, Rm to Rm, which is equal to psi R of M. We have IR into M is equal to psi IR of M, which is equal to IDM of M, which is equal to M as desired. Proof of 2 is similar and is left to the assignments. Modules over opposite ring. Given a ring R, let R0 or R raised to OP read as R opposite be the same set R. Define addition and multiplication on R0 as R1 plus R2 is equal to R1 plus R2 and R1 star R2 is equal to R2 R1 for R1 R2 belongs to R. Under these operations, R0 is a ring. Verification is left to the exercise and is called the ring opposite to R or the opposite ring of R. Remark: R raised to 0 whole raised to 0 is equal to R. Theorem 3. M is a left R module implies that M is a right R raised to 0 module, where R raised to 0 is the ring opposite to R. Proof: by theorem 2, we have a ring homomorphism psi from R to end M. We take the composition of this with the identity map ID from R0 to R, which is an anti-isomorphism. To get an anti-homomorphism R0 to end M, which means M is a right R0 module. Conversely, suppose that we have an anti-homomorphism of rings psi dash from R0 to end M. Compose this with the identity map ID from R to R0, which is an anti-isomorphism, to get a homomorphism R from end M. Therefore, M is a left R module. Remarks: if R is commutative, any left R module is also a right R module. That is, notions of left and right modules coincide. For if R is a commutative ring and M is a left R module, then N can be made into a right R module by defining Mr is equal to Rm. This definition of Mr makes M a right R module. In this case, a left R module is the same as a right R module. Thus, when R is a commutative ring, we do not distinguish between left and right R modules and simply call them R modules. Example 4. Z is a ring of integers. Let A be any additive abelian group. Then A is a left Z module because 1. R of M1 plus M2 is equal to Rm1 plus Rm2. 2. R1 plus R2 of M is equal to R1M plus R2M. 3. R1 R2 of M is equal to R1 of R2M. 4. 1M is equal to M. For every R, R1, R2 belongs to Z. M, M1, M2 belongs to A. Similarly, it can be seen that A is a right Z module. Example 5. Let R be a ring. Then R itself can be regarded as a left R module by defining AM, M belongs to R, A belongs to R to be the product of A and M as elements of the ring R. Then for every R, R1, R2 belongs to R, M, M1, M2 belongs to R, we have the following. 1. R of M1 plus M2 is equal to Rm1 plus Rm2. 2. R1 plus R2 of M is equal to R1M plus R2M. 3. R1 R2 of M is equal to R1 of R2M. Example 6. Suppose S is a subring of a ring R. Then R can be considered as a left S module in a natural way, namely with regards to multiplication in R. That is, for all S in S and R in R, we have S cross R to R, S comma R is equal to SR. The module R over any of its subring need not be unitary in general. However, if S has unity 1S and 1S is equal to 1R, then R is a unitary S module. Remark: a subring S is module over the whole ring only if S is an ideal in R. Submodules. Definition: a non-empty subset N of an R module M is called an R submodule or simply submodule of M if 1. A minus B belongs to N for every AB belongs to N. 2. RA belongs to N for every A in N, R in R. Remarks: in case R is equal to F, a field, then M above is a vector space and N is a subspace of M. If N is an R submodule of M, then N is also an R module in its own right. Example 7. The subset N is equal to singleton set 0 of M is a submodule of M. Also, the set M itself is a submodule of M. Example 8. Each left ideal of a ring R is an R submodule of the left R module R and conversely. Example 9. If M is an R module and X belongs to M, then the set Rx is equal to set of all Rx such that R belongs to R is an R submodule of M. For 1. R1x minus R2x is equal to R1 minus R2 of X belongs to R, and 2. R1 of R2x is equal to R1 R2 of X belongs to Rx for every R1 R2 belongs to R. Theorem 4. Let set Ni, I in A be a family of R submodules of an R module M. Then intersection over I in A Ni is also an R submodule. Proof. Let x y belongs to intersection I in A in R. X y belongs to Ni for every I in A in R. Implies x minus y belongs to Ni. Ax belongs to Ni for every I in A. because each Ni is a R submodule, implies x minus y belongs to intersection I in A Ni, Ax belongs to intersection I in A Ni, showing that intersection I in A Ni is an R submodule. Now, let us summarize the session. In this session, the definition and some examples of modules have been described. Elementary properties, left R modules and a discussion on modules over opposite rings have been made. Definition and some examples of submodule have been described. Before moving to the next session, let us solve the given questions. Let M be the set of all m by n matrices of a ring R. Then show that M is a left R module. Show that the polynomial ring Rx over a ring R is an R module. Let R be a ring and let S denote the set of all sequence Ai, I in n, Ai belongs to R. Define Ai plus Bi is equal to Ai plus Bi. Alpha Ai is equal to alpha Ai, where alpha Ai, Bi belongs to R. Then show that S is a left R module. See you next time. Till then, take care.